Weche magwala ni Jokenya modak e piny Canada oyango riwruog sagaa mar riwogi kaka yorno mar keto mwandu kendo kungo mar timo dongruok e pacho ka. Pamoja Canada Diaspora Sacco Limited ne oyangi kosire kod betre mar piny Kenya boma ma Toronto. Giwacho ni mae okang' maber kalore kod ng'ikruok kod tiyo marach mosebedo kod omenda mag yoro dala e lwet ji giwegi e konyo cholo dongruok mopogore.
The benefits are many. Even from the outset, the fact that it brings Kenyans together, first of all, and bring them together not to have a party, but to develop themselves, to become better people, to become strong as a community. And then secondly, it creates in them or harnesses their potential to build wealth through savings and investment. When you're having a circle like now, Pamoja Circle, at the end of the year, you earn a dividend because you own the company through the share capital, and you get paid a dividend proportion from owning your contributions. I encourage all Kenyans, maybe you are in another circle, it doesn't hurt. This one gives you a unique element. For example, to join, like for today, especially today and tomorrow, when joining fee is 7,500, which will rise every year by 2026, it will be almost 35,000 just to join. It is better you just join today.